Civilized Redneck Rick. Welcome back to the fishing channel, Civilized Redneck Fishing and Outdoors. Decided to go try to do a little fishing. I don't know if you guys can see the storm clouds. We might not get a lot done. We found a little bridge, looked like some good water under it. We're gonna give it a shot. Got the GoPro, and we're just parked here next to the road and see what we can get. See you guys down there. Take this little spillway. I don't see any copperhead, but let's do a little exploring. I'm gonna set these poles down. All right, I'll set these poles and stuff down. Good, a lot of good spots for snakes, that's for sure. Look like much better down there. Well, we're just gonna try right here, I guess. Our tripod up right over here. If I'm communicating with each other, so I can get some good footage here. Right, just a little bitty crankbait on there. Bass, and it is like a largemouth. Very first cast. Looks like it might be a spotted bass instead of a largemouth. Very first cast. I like that. That was a good cast. I didn't expect it to cast that well. What I love about creek fishing, you never know what you're going to catch. Fishing, I'm pretty sure that was a Kentucky bass, or what's called. You might just cast him out and let him float down the current a little bit. You might just had another bite and missed it. Looking up at the weather, not paying much attention to them. About ultralight rods and reels too. Look at that rod tip. Reeled in a little faster. There's something right over there. And it looks good in the water, I'll tell you what. I don't want to get too close because this whole hillside is... I'm surprised I got that one loose because this is just 4 pound. I'm surprised that it came loose and didn't lose it. Very first cast. We'll go right back over, thankfully. Cast on a tree. See what the third cast is. Current, take it down. I'm gonna attempt this right here. I just don't. So that's fine. Look at my downpour. I might have to take shelter under this bridge until the storm passed in mud. Run through the rushes. The things I pour and when I'm under the bridge, I'm gonna cast a little bit, but let's try and go. Acting a fool of the creek. A lot of room to cast between all these trees on both sides of me. So we reel, it's going a little bit deeper. It'd be a pretty good video if I fell in, wouldn't it, guys? I think I had another one right there and he got off. It was just a little one. If it wasn't very big. One thing, when those hooks get caught up in your line, I don't know if you guys can see this hillside here without a bit. I have to move on up and see if we can get up there in some of that water. I'm navigating through. It is not friendly territory. I do not recommend this at home, guys. Let's get back down so you guys can at least see the water, I hope. I'm not very good at pitching either. That's what this is called, is pitch. That current just makes that swim so good. I'll try my best to get over there. So I do not recommend this at home, guys. I'm starting to get a cramp in this foot that's here on this tree, too. Man, did you see that current take it? I'll hit that again. That was pretty good. I don't think I can cast anymore up that one. All you guys at home are just waiting for me to clink in the water. But I'm telling you guys, that should be a fish right there. Be able to make it up there. I might see if I can walk down on the other side over there. Getting in the current. Should be fish right there. Alright, let's see if we can get out of here without falling. Excuse me. Thought I was going swimming, guys. It don't look like very many people come down here. Maybe I'm gonna attempt this right here. I just don't know. There's no snakes down here because I hate to kill a snake. See that or not? I sunk up pretty good. Anything that gets caught up in that current and swept down into the creek. That was a good cast right into a tree. I'm gonna get done, guys. The storm is almost here. I get a few more casts in before it starts downpouring. Right on the edge of that deep there. A little bit warmer. I would just wade through this and see how. Crap! I'm all bird nest. This is not. This is not how we roll. This is knotted up real good. Damn it! Good little lure. Alright, do not go back in there.